you, be yourself, and make sure that you love being yourself. And it's gonna be roadblocks, it's gonna be tribulations, but always remember, this is a life experience. Accept the experience, appreciate the experience, and learn how to move on from things that don't serve you well, you know, and find your journey, respect your journey, and love it.
Take a seat, baby girl, you've been on my mind. I know I ain't called, got a part of my grind, just copped the Maroon 5, no Adam.
And with that, the 2023 season comes to an end. Good night.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, lachelleehenleyy. Welcome back to my channel if you are new. I'm about to meet up with my friend at Walmart. I'm about to give my brother his gift. Well, one of his gifts, because it's actually my brother's birthday. We're on the way to Walmart right now to print out the pictures for the vision board. This is gonna fit 30. Y'all, I need a new phone case so bad. I need to go to Claire's. Because I could get like, oh friend, look, I changed my earrings.
Oh yes, I did notice. I'm like, ooh, this is a pretty color.
That is super
they
pretty.
got new colors and they discounted these.
This is for your machine that you be doing. What's the next one that you gonna do?
The next one is gonna be a cause design. It's gonna be gray, black, and have yellow eyes.
Cute little cause.
I need to do Tucked in 2024 for real.
Yeah. If you want to be consistent, you might as well just make a whole page. I know the little carpets that people be making. My friend makes them carpets. The stars are cute too. I need new seats and stuff for my dorms. My car wash, they charged my card or whatever. I said that I wanted to cancel my membership. The employee canceled the membership for me, but I still got charged, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Walmart was taking forever and a day just to get the pictures printed, and it ended up not even working.
Stop hating, get your cheese right. Get what you bleed like. Get my dog and he gon' with that heat right. Be right. Minding my business. Nigga want me dead, whole different city.
Enough is enough. City girls with the you love me. Bad bitch tryna fuck me. For the bread, walk 'em like a puppy. Another comma, millionaire status. Some new teeth, bitch. Check out the glow.
Cut, it's been a minute.
The crash on is lower Pluto.
Do we I did it.
Y'all, so I just made it to Walgreens. I'm waiting for Zaria to pull up. Yeah, y'all, I just found my necklace in my car. I had to take it off before going into work. It's just so cute, so I had to put it on because I seen it.
This time we'll take it slow. Go figure. You are the trigger.
Can I take your order?
Hello, could I get
The 3-piece chicken strip basket. I want honey mustard for the sauce. I want water for the drink.
You want a Butterfinger?
No, I said I want. Okay, so I didn't even know they had the meal that comes with the sundae too. You get the chicken strips, the fries, the sundae, and a drink. Cause your mouth gonna get dry from the sundae. Thank you. Chicken strip.
Oh,
Happy birthday
this time we'll take it slow.
Happy birthday to you.
You brought me to shine you.
Get a cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey,
Happy birthday.
Oh, we're supposed to learn the other birthday song.
Happy. Which one?
I thought you knew it.
To you.
Go figure. You are the trigger. You brought me to obstructed view.
Please don't mind this bed. I really don't have time. Argue with your mama, not me. Today we are going ATV riding for my brother's birthday or whatever. Last time I checked the time, it was about like 9:40. ATVs are in Griffin, so it's gonna be a drive. And then I have my lash appointment at 3 p.m. And then I'm making vision boards with Zaria later on today as well. Okay, so I gotta give y'all a whole rundown again because I just know I have a full day ahead of me. I'm contemplating if I should keep my hair, because if I do my hair in a bun, it's gonna be heavy. Yeah, for my lash appointment, I'll probably do the bun. Well, no, y'all, the bun is actually cute. Like, what? The bun is way cuter. I'm not gonna wear my bracelet because I feel like it's gonna get dirty, but I'm gonna put my necklace on because at first I wasn't gonna put either on, but I think I'm gonna put my necklace on and hopefully we come back home with it. Like I was saying, I have my lash appointment at 3 p.m. After that, I'm making vision boards with my friend Zaria, and after that I'm doing fireworks with my family. I'm putting on my socks right now, and they are going over my pants because I'm not getting no mud or nothing on me. Fruit snacks. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm packing in this bag. I'm bringing my water, crackers. I'm bringing my AirPods, my hair scarf. I'm not taking the rest of it out, but my Ugg boots are here, my leggings, and the sweatshirt that I'm wearing. This tape is for the vision board. I still need to put glue and scissors in here, but other than that, we Gucci. But let me finish getting dressed. I need a new brow gel. Unless I like put water on it, then she like gets the job done, but yeah. I'm pulling the hairs up first. Alright, y'all, I'm wearing this puffer with this Kappa jacket. The bottoms are Nike sweatpants. They're kind of busted, but that's why we're bringing them.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat.
Put the fastest rider on the end, because if the ride's going too slow, hang back a little bit. Then you can get your speed and run up. I don't think you'll have that problem because the ride is pretty aggressive. It starts off slow and easy, and then it just picks up and it gets going.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey. 4L Snapchat, stepping on shit to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Tell her to open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds, they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the neck is a frame. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 6 times. Niggas be full of excuses after they taking their time. Whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Good job. Too many sticks, go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Listen, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant must have went over her head. Catching my side of the studio.
Sweaters Champion leggings are from TikTok shop. My chestnut Uggs. Hey y'all, so I just made it to my lash appointment. You wanna say hey?
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile?
They be like going on a regular camera and dimming them. You do? Yeah.
I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile?
Super cute. I love them. Thank you.
I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Are you trying to leave?
Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash, slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a two to make back pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Phillies, acting someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still owe me? How you gon' do that? Snatch a Ruger bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rap. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glenn, I'm fuck the same hoe, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones in them.
Yes. Okay.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Up high, hands high. Tell them the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark, purple,
Looking at your fragrance, hold up.
We're currently popping fireworks.
And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis.
Oh no! Wait, what?
Justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower that bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems and these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you all. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't know Joe with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good. I'm sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
It's about to be New Year's. Hello. I'm wishing everybody prosperity and blessings into this new year. Happy New Year's. Yo, I absolutely love my vision board. It is so cute and I can't wait till I get back to my dorm. It is currently New Year's, so happy New Year's to everyone and their families. I'm gonna end the video up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Click the post notification bell to be notified anytime I upload. All my socials are down in the description and on the screen, so make sure y'all can find me on those. And I just dropped my lashing website, so make sure y'all go book with me. See y'all in my next video.
Say you're gonna be in love with me. It's driving me crazy to think that